Hi, I'm Henrik Hanke. I'm working in the sales area at company JENZ, and I'm presenting you today our workaround of our BA916D. This machine is really compact. We have a 2-axle undercarriage with 90 tons in weight and 10.40 meters in transport length. So we are really compact to drive the machine as a mobile type to different sites. What can we do with this kind of machine? We are using this machine in the composting and green waste sites, and also here is equipped on the machine itself. It's our AGRAR version. So this machine is specialized, equipped for agriculture contractors. So we can process with this machine green waste, bark, brash, mana, silage. So we have a compact machine for every type of materials. So how do we feed the machine? We have here our low infeed height. I'm almost 2 meters. This is 2.5 meters. So also small tractors, small wheel loaders, small telescopic loaders we can use to infeed this kind of machine. The infeed length itself is 4.40 meters. So we get everything inside the machine, and we have equipped here optional our hydraulic infeed table. So we get even more space. So we have all in all 5 meters. And what is the kind of conveyor? We have here a durable steel conveyor to get the material inside the machine. In addition to our conveyor, we have here our hydraulic upper roller to feed the machine. Dimensions itself of our infeed is we have 1.50 meters in length and 90 centimeters in height. So this is the kind of material we can process. The hydraulic upper roller can also be adjustable, used for pressing. So if we have really stucky material, which is over the infeed itself, and we need to get the material here inside, we can preset the upper roller to have an hydraulic pressure from the top to get the material together inside the machine. So here we see our rotor with our counter knife, where the fixed hammers here in this moment mounted are working against the counter knife. So far we have talked about what we can process with the machine, what is able to get with the machine, and of course, how do we adjust and set the machine with our machine control easy to touch. This intuitive machine control is for the parameters and the adjustment, the set of the machine. For example, the speed of the upper roller, the speed of the conveyors, of the infeed conveyor. We can divide these two to get the upper roller faster, to get the material faster inside the machine. These can be set and adjusted in the control. And of course, we have some kind of automations in the machine. For example, our grinder feed assistant to get the machine at all time in the maximum and best load of the engine. How do we control everything? With our easy to touch display. So we can click here as a touchscreen. We have these 6 hotkeys for using the machine, and of course, in addition, a remote control to have everything also from the loading device we are using to get this machine. We have talked about how to set the machine over the machine control, and now we take a look inside the machine, how the material is going through the machine. And for this, we are opening now our discharge conveyor. So now with the opened discharge conveyor, we have a look here to our screen and rotor to explain the flow of the material inside the machine. So with the rotor, the material gets the material to the rotor. The rotor with here now fixed hammers is cutting against the counter knife over the underscreen here to the screen, where we can have possibilities to change have different fractions to get to achieve what we want to get. And the material is getting out with the discharge conveyor and gets out. To have a better look on the rotor, we are opening now our screen here to take a look on it. So the rotor has a diameter of 1.4 meters. We have here 32 places for tools, now equipped with 16 easy cover, 16 easy cut. But we have also our new developed easy protect system, and there we want to take a deeper look inside. In addition to our fixed hammers, which are mounted in the machine, we can also use free swinging hammers. Now we are here at the development of our fixed hammers. It's the Easy Protect. As the name said, protect, we are protecting the machine from impacts. In addition to our IPS system is serial mounted on the machine, and it works that we have a certain threshold on the machine. We detect the impacts on the counter knife, and when the system is triggered, the belt clutch is disengaged, the screen is opening, and the infeed is rolling backwards to get the 4-inch body out of the machine. Easy Protect, we have here a wear part which can be changed, and also different kind of pre-grips we can use on the machine. We can drive this kind of tool with a pre-grip of 40 mm, 33 or 25 mm. Protection in addition is that we have here the upper clamp. When there's an impact body coming inside and something is cracked off, we are really fast in getting everything back to work. We have talked about different types of hammers, how to use the machine with fixed or free swinging hammers, and to achieve and to get into maintenance with the machine, we have mounted here on this side under the hood a maintenance toolbox to get access to the rotor in open position, and has everything tools we need inside this toolbox: compressed air, light for even working in the darkness. So we are able here really fast with the swinging toolbox to change knives and everything we need. For our maintenance, we also need access to our engine, so we are opening our engine cover to get access to it. So now we are standing here under our opened engine cover. Which kind of engine we have mounted here on this machine? It's a 530 horsepower MTU engine. With the open cover, we have here really good access for our cooling system, the air filter, the engine itself, and the hydraulic. So we have here more is enough space. So now we are standing on our power takeoff. So we have a short distance from our engine to our main pulley for the rotor. So the power takeoff has the pulley for the main drive belt to the pulley of the rotor itself, and we have a hydraulic driven clutch which is engaging slowly by hydraulic pressure to get the rotor in speed. So all in all, BA 916D, we have a low feeding height, we have a big infeed itself, we have various kinds of tools. We can use fixed hammers, free swinging hammers. Also for the fixed tools, the new highlight Easy Protect. We have an ergonomic maintenance area for everything, access to everything, 4.40 m discharge height and a complete weight of 19 ton and 10.40 m in transport position, and this is what I show you now. So here we see now in transport position we have the rope permission with 80 kilometers per hour. So for driven by tractor or driven by truck itself, we are really fast in changing the location.